There's easily 30 plus projects lying around if people want to see other ones.
You guys heard it here first, straight from the source. So they're gonna be doing some wild stuff with it. We're hoping to convince them to do one more wild thing before we head out of here.
That sounds gnarly.
Now, if you guys enjoyed that, please hit subscribe. If you want more people to see Bill's crazy antics, hit like. Be on the lookout for Bill's channel. Go over to Dane's channel. Thank you to Fume for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching.